I would encourage all women to give this a try. I don't care what age you are. I'm 57, Spirit's 67.
You can hike 10-mile days or 8-mile days. You can hike 20-mile days.
If it rains, like, you just accept it. If your feet hurt, you just have to work through it. It really strips the world down into what is most important and least important.
I first really committed to the idea of hiking the Appalachian Trail when I found myself in the hospital. I realized, like, oh, I'm not invincible.
I was diagnosed with what they call Asperger's syndrome.
I had a drinking problem.
This hike saved me, basically. My only goal was to get out here, get away for a little bit, and heal.
Women are not encouraged to be as outdoorsy as guys are. Nature is open to everyone.
When I first started in '04, there was very few women. I mean, there were maybe 2 women to 10 men.
I hate that we live in a society where we have that fear of what's going to happen to our young women. Coming on the trail, you see the goodness in humanity, and I like to think I'm sending an example to other women that I know that are younger than me.
We need to go to the mountain to find renewal and inspiration and remind us why this country is great.